German chicken tartare, serves 2, prep time 25 minutes. Bright, chilled, and tangy with mustard and cornichons. First, the main ingredient. 8 ounces of pasteurized chicken breast, skinless and boneless. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped shallot. 2 tablespoons of chopped cornichons. 1 tablespoon of drained capers. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. That is our German chicken tartare, made with pasteurized chicken, Dijon mustard and cornichons. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe for more recipes, and hit the bell to get notifications.